Welcome to Planet Practice with Miss Sarnowski. Today I am going to teach you how to make a planet look three-dimensional even though it's on a flat piece of paper. You're going to need your worksheet or a blank piece of paper, a pencil, some sort of black marker, and some chalk pastel. Let's get started. All right, you can follow along with me, or I do have some directions written down here. And the first one is draw a sun. So I'm going to take this opportunity to use this little spot over here and draw myself a little sun. And it does not need to be perfect because this is practice and it's just showing us where the sun is shining. Right, then you are going to label the highlight or the white area, right, of your planet. Now I want you to think about if the sun is shining on the planet this way, where would the highlight be? It would be on this side of the planet, right? So I'm going to go ahead and just outline a little bit of a shape. You don't need to do that, but you should write highlight. I need to turn this around so I can write it. Highlight. H-I-G-H-L-I-G-H-T. Highlight. So you don't need to draw the shape. You can just write the words. And I'm actually going to go ahead and erase this because I don't want that there. But just so you know where the highlight is, right, where the sun shines, and it's that nice, bright, shiny spot on the planet. Next, you're going to label the shadow. Now, the shadow comes opposite the highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a banana shape, or like a moon shape, you might say, leaving a little bit of room on the edge, but you do actually want to draw that shape that time. And then I'm going to draw an arrow, and let me go ahead and label it shadow, S-H-A-D-O-W, and that is the black part, right? That's the shadow where the sun is blocked. All right, number 4 says color the shadow black. Right, so I'm going to take my marker and start coloring just that section. So if you have a nice thick marker, it might even work better to color it with a thicker marker. But you do want to color the whole thing. No white spots. That's for the highlight. And then finally, it says chalk pastel, right? And so we are going to be using our chalk pastel. Now there are a few rules here. First, you can see I have a nice protector paper underneath my worksheet. That's for the marker, but also for the chalk. If I'm not using the chalk, I'm going to leave it in this little cup because it is super messy. And then just take out one at a time. Now the trick is you want to try to only hold it with like 2 fingers. How many? Just 2. Are you going to roll it over all your hands? Nope. Super messy. You want to start at the shadow side, and you actually don't need to press very hard. You're going to start to color. You don't need to color on top of your shadow. You're going to color around it. And I really only want to color half the planet. Here's why. Okay, I'm going to stop there. Where should this go if I put this down? Back in my cup. Now, I'm just going to take 1 finger this time. How many? Just 1. Then I'm going to start smoothing this chalk and spreading it. See how carefully I'm doing it? So that it gets lighter. And there we go. It creates a natural highlight, right? That white part. Or it'll be really, really light. And that is our 3-dimensional planet, right? Next time when you do this, right, you will be able to make many of them, right? We see the highlight, that's white, the shadow, that is black, and it looks 3-dimensional, meaning having length, width, and height, kind of like a ball, but it's really just a flat piece of paper. Good luck today creating your planets.